Hello. This is Garrett speaking. I was just going to tell you that nature's always good for you. Look it out there. Can you believe that God created that? Houses are good, but don't you think it's just taking up all the space of what God has made? My grandma thinks that cars are a horrible creation, but I don't agree with her. It'll take slow to go on a bike or anything, but motorcycles are good, although you could get hurt on it. You gotta drink water to get more energy. And inside is really good, keeps you from when it's like raining or storms going on. But we gotta thank the trees, you know? The trees have done a lot for us. If there was no trees, well, we couldn't breathe. We'd die. And without the gravity, we'd be flying up to space and we'd die. That's why we have gravity. And gravity's really good. But if God hadn't created people, then we wouldn't be here this day. Or any day. Any day. So, if there wasn't anything, bugs, or anything that goes with nature, that'd be horrible. We couldn't play. That's big. And if he wouldn't created people too, I already said that, but I mean, if he didn't create people that have really good talents, there wouldn't be any electricity or traffic lights or just windshield wipers too. You couldn't see or anything. That's why God is made. Okay? You gotta remember that. Nature is really good. Well, the person who created traffic lights was Garrett Morgan. My name is Garrett, so yeah! And just telling you to love nature. We wouldn't be here, or no bugs would be here. So, bye.